The Aston Martin car 2027 represents a fascinating combination of British luxury, breathtaking design, advanced engineering, and high-performance driving. Aston Martin has always been associated with elegant grand tours and powerful sports cars, and the 2027 generation is expected to continue that tradition while introducing modern technology and improved efficiency. In this review, we will explore the expected design, performance, interior, technology, comfort, safety, practicality, and overall appeal of an Aston Martin 2027 model. Because exact specifications can vary by model and market, some details should be considered expected or indicative rather than officially confirmed. From the outside, the Aston Martin 2027 is expected to maintain the distinctive design language that makes the brand immediately recognizable. The front fascia could feature a wide signature grille, slim LED headlights, sculpted aerodynamic surfaces, and a low, aggressive stance. The long hood and short rear deck are likely to remain important elements of the design, giving the car a classic sports car silhouette while incorporating modern aerodynamic details. Carefully shaped air intakes, performance-oriented bumpers, sleek mirrors, and sophisticated alloy wheels could further emphasize its sporty character. The side profile is expected to be particularly attractive, with flowing body lines designed to create a sense of motion even when the vehicle is standing still. Aston Martin traditionally pays close attention to proportions, and the 2027 car should continue this philosophy. Depending on the model, buyers could expect different wheel designs, brake packages, exterior finishes, and carbon fiber details. At the rear, slim LED lighting, a sculpted bumper, integrated aerodynamic elements, and prominent exhaust outlets could complete the dramatic appearance. Aston Martin vehicles are known for combining beauty with performance, and aerodynamics will likely play an important role in the 2027 model. Engineers may use carefully designed body panels and underbody airflow management to improve stability at higher speeds. Performance versions could receive more aggressive aerodynamic components, larger brakes, sportier suspension tuning, and additional lightweight materials. Inside the cabin, the Aston Martin 2027 is expected to offer a luxurious environment designed around both the driver and passengers. Premium leather, high-quality metal accents, elegant trim materials, and carefully finished surfaces should create an atmosphere that feels special from the moment the doors are opened. Depending on the configuration, customers may have extensive customization choices involving upholstery colors, stitching patterns, dashboard materials, and decorative finishes. The driver-focused cockpit is likely to combine traditional Aston Martin character with modern digital technology. A digital instrument display could provide information such as speed, engine performance, navigation, driving modes, and vehicle status. A central infotainment screen should provide access to navigation, media, smartphone connectivity, vehicle settings, and other functions. Voice controls and wireless smartphone integration could make daily operation easier. Comfort is another important part of the Aston Martin experience. The 2027 model is expected to feature supportive seats with multiple adjustment options, heating, ventilation, and potentially massage functions depending on the trim. A premium audio system could provide an immersive sound experience, while advanced climate control would help maintain a comfortable cabin temperature. Despite its performance focus, Aston Martin traditionally places strong emphasis on grand touring comfort. This means the 2027 car should ideally be capable of handling long journeys without becoming exhausting. The suspension may offer different settings, allowing drivers to select a softer configuration for everyday driving or a firmer setup for enthusiastic driving. Performance will naturally be one of the biggest attractions. The Aston Martin 2027 lineup could include powerful turbocharged engines and, depending on the specific model, electrified powertrain technology. Aston Martin has been developing its future powertrain strategy around performance and evolving emissions requirements, so the 2027 generation could offer a mixture of advanced combustion and electrified systems. A high-performance engine could deliver strong acceleration, rapid throttle response, and an exciting exhaust note. Twin turbocharged configurations are expected to remain important for models requiring substantial power and torque. Sophisticated transmission technology could help deliver quick and smooth gear changes while maintaining an engaging driving experience. Acceleration should be impressive, particularly in performance-focused variants. Depending on the specific 2027 model and powertrain, a high-performance version could potentially reach 60 miles per hour in only a few seconds. However, exact acceleration figures will depend on the final production specifications, drivetrain, tires, vehicle weight, and launch control systems. Handling is another area where Aston Martin is expected to stand out. The 2027 model could feature an advanced suspension system, electronically controlled dampers, performance-oriented steering, and powerful braking hardware. These systems can work together to provide precise control through corners while maintaining stability during high-speed driving. Different driving modes may allow drivers to change the personality of the vehicle. A comfortable setting could prioritize smoothness and relaxed cruising, while sportier modes could sharpen throttle response, transmission behavior, steering weight, suspension firmness, and stability control settings. The result should be a car capable of offering both luxury and excitement. All-wheel drive technology may be available on selected Aston Martin models, while other versions could continue using rear-wheel drive to preserve the traditional sports car experience. An advanced traction management system could help the car maintain grip in different road conditions. Performance tires and large high-performance brakes would further improve control. Technology is expected to be another major focus of the Aston Martin 2027. Modern luxury buyers expect their vehicles to offer seamless connectivity, intelligent driver assistance, advanced navigation, and intuitive controls. The new model could feature upgraded software, improved touchscreen responsiveness, connected services, over-the-air updates, and enhanced smartphone integration. A premium navigation system could provide real-time traffic information and route planning. Depending on the market and specification, connected services could allow owners to monitor vehicle information remotely through a smartphone application. Digital key technology may also provide convenient access and vehicle starting functions through compatible devices. Safety should remain a major consideration. The Aston Martin 2027 could offer a wide range of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, automatic emergency braking, traffic sign recognition, and parking assistance. Cameras and sensors could provide a comprehensive view around the vehicle. Advanced parking technology could be particularly useful because performance-oriented luxury cars often have low seating positions and limited rear visibility. Parking sensors and surround view cameras can make maneuvering in crowded urban environments easier. The 2027 Aston Martin is also expected to provide a refined driving experience at highway speeds. Strong sound insulation, comfortable seats, advanced suspension tuning, and sophisticated cabin materials could make long-distance travel enjoyable. At the same time, selecting a sportier driving mode could transform the car into a more aggressive performance machine. Fuel efficiency will depend heavily on the specific engine and powertrain. Turbocharged engines can provide strong performance while improving efficiency compared with larger naturally aspirated engines, while hybrid technology could provide additional benefits. Electrification may also become increasingly important as Aston Martin adapts its future lineup to changing automotive regulations and customer expectations. One of the most attractive aspects of Aston Martin ownership is personalization. Customers of luxury performance brands often expect to create a vehicle that reflects their individual taste. The 2027 lineup could offer numerous exterior colors, wheel designs, interior themes, leather choices, stitching combinations, carbon fiber elements, and performance options. Higher-level customization could make individual vehicles highly distinctive. Practicality will depend on the model. A two-seat sports car will naturally provide less passenger and luggage space than a Grand Tourer or SUV. However, Aston Martin vehicles designed for long-distance touring should provide a useful balance between performance and everyday usability. The availability of storage compartments, a usable trunk, comfortable seating, and modern convenience features can make the car easier to live with. The design philosophy also makes the Aston Martin 2027 stand apart from many competitors. While several luxury manufacturers focus heavily on technology and digital displays, Aston Martin combines modern technology with a strong emphasis on craftsmanship, proportions, materials, and emotional appeal. The result is intended to be more than a transportation device. It is a luxury performance product designed to create an emotional connection with its driver. The expected price will place the Aston Martin 2027 firmly in the premium luxury performance category. Exact pricing will vary considerably depending on the model, engine, equipment, options, taxes, and market. High-performance variants and extensively customized examples could cost substantially more than entry-level configurations. Buyers should therefore consider not only the purchase price but also insurance, maintenance, tires, brakes, fuel, and other ownership costs. Competition in this segment is intense. Aston Martin will continue to face rivals from brands such as Ferrari, Bentley, Porsche, Mercedes-AMG, Lamborghini, and other premium performance manufacturers. Each competitor has its own strengths, but Aston Martin's combination of British design, luxury craftsmanship, grand touring ability, and sports car performance gives it a distinctive position. For enthusiasts, the most important attraction may be the emotional character of the car. Numbers such as horsepower, acceleration, and top speed are important, but they do not completely explain why people choose an Aston Martin. The sound of the engine, the feel of the steering, the quality of the materials, the shape of the body, and the sense of occasion when driving all contribute to the experience. The Aston Martin 2027 therefore looks set to continue the company's philosophy of creating cars that combine elegance and performance. Its expected improvements in technology, connectivity, driver assistance, efficiency, and powertrain development could make it more competitive in a rapidly changing luxury car market while preserving the character that has made Aston Martin famous. Overall, the Aston Martin 2027 is expected to be an impressive luxury performance car with a striking exterior, handcrafted interior, advanced technology, strong performance, sophisticated handling, and a highly exclusive personality. Exact specifications will depend on the particular model and final production announcements, but the overall direction points toward a vehicle that blends traditional British luxury with modern automotive engineering. For anyone interested in premium performance cars, the Aston Martin 2027 deserves close attention. It represents the evolution of a legendary automotive philosophy into a new era where performance, luxury, technology, efficiency, and personalization must work together. Whether cruising on a highway, driving through a city, or enjoying a winding road, the goal remains the same: deliver a memorable experience behind the wheel.